Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Ankur and you're watching Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Creating a Facebook group is a 5-step process. Let me take you to my Facebook app and show you how. So once you open your Facebook app, you need to click on 3 bars towards the top right corner. Once you click on these 3 bars, you will find an option for groups. Click on groups. As soon as you click on groups, you will see a page like this. On this page, there are different categories on the top, if you will see, like for you, your groups, events, discover. You need to click on your groups. Once you click on your groups, you will see all your groups which are managed by you here on the top. Now, since here you want to create your own Facebook group, in order to do that, you need to click on Create Group. Once you click on Create Group, this is step 1, wherein you need to give a name to your group and you need to choose a privacy setting for your group. So I am going to name this group as Test because I'm just showing it as an example to you. So I have named this group as Test. Now in the privacy settings, you will find 2 options. One is public, other one is private. If you check public, then anyone on Facebook can see who is in this group and what they have posted. However, if you select private, then only members in that group can see who all are there in that group and what they have posted. So I'm sure you would want to create a private group because creating a public group, in my opinion, doesn't make any sense because anyone on Facebook can see who all are there and what are they posting. Okay, so check the box for private. Once you click on this, you will see one more option for the visibility of the group. So once you click on the drop down here, you have 2 options. One is visible, which means anyone can find this group, and second is hidden, only members can find this group. So here I'm going to select as visible. Once done, you need to click on create group. Now here is the second step. On the second step, it is asking you to invite your friends to join that particular group. If you want to invite people, you can simply click on the invite button in front of their name and they will receive an invitation to join your group. However, if you do not want to do that, you can simply click on next on top right corner. If you do not want to invite everybody, then you can search name of your friends by clicking here on the search bar. Okay, once done, click on next. This is the third step wherein it will ask you to upload a cover photo. So you need to click on upload cover photo and you will have access to your photo gallery. From there you can choose any picture which you want as your group's cover photo. Then click on done. Now I have selected a random picture for my cover photo and will click on save towards the top right corner. Once done, your cover photo will show up here. Once you click on next, it will ask you to describe your group. Okay, you can describe what this group is for. You can write a couple of sentences over here, but I am just saving your time and writing it as test. Then click on next. Once you click on next, as per your group's genre, you can select the options given here. What I am going to do is I am going to select as meet people and then click on next, and this is the final step. You can share a post on your feed so that people can know that you have created a group. Okay, you can write something and then share, and as soon as you click on done, you can write a small message to share on your feed and then click on done and your group will be created. Alright, so this is how you can create a Facebook group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please go ahead and like the channel, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video.